what we would do, he knew everybody in, I think everybody in Washington, D.C. And he'd take me up to this person or that person and say, this is my uncle. And they look at me 3 or 4 times, you know, then they say, yeah, he is really my uncle. I just took him to the cleaners. Anyway, so and he would say to these people, now, he got a song he wants to sing you. And I would sing that. And then he'd say to them, now you sing it with him. And my God, they did, didn't they? Huh? So we're going to sing it one more time, then you're going to sing it with us. I don't care if it rains or freezes, I'll be safe in the arms of Jesus. Okay, everybody, come on now. I don't care if it rains or freezes, I'll be safe in the arms of Jesus. Oh! Well, I want to thank all of you who come to the birthday party. I've enjoyed it so much, and deep in my heart I can tell you, I love every one of you. Yeah, I sure do, with all my heart. I love God, and He taught me how to love, because He loves me so, and all of us. Don't ever be afraid of God. He loves you.
Amen.
Don't forget that. He loves you. And He never forget you. I won't forget you either as soon as I get this bill paid. And I'm going to send it to my sister, don't remember?
Yes, one.
Now then, and all of them, in all of our family, and everybody in here is in my family. Everybody in here. Whether you like it or not. And anyway, I don't know what's going to come and who's going to be around to do anything or not, but I'm telling about Joe, you know, Joe, my son Joe over here, and his wife Nina, you know, they just happened to be from India, from Bombay. You didn't know I was in India, did you? No. But anyway, it doesn't make any difference. In my heart, we're all one. And we love, yeah, it's my daughter. She wants to be Anyway, and never, ever forget, no matter where you are, God is there. Don't ever forget that. More than that, He's not only just there, to just happen to be there, He's there for you whenever you need Him. And we need Him every day. So don't forget how much He loves you. And remember along with that, how much I love you. Now, I don't care about, I just don't want you to send me any Christmas greetings that say, please remit. But if you don't get a Christmas card from me, then you write to me and say, what happened? And I will say to you, remember the dinner we had? Anyway, oh, you're such beautiful people. Thank you so much for coming. And I will look forward to praying for you every day. And I want you to pray for me and for your loved ones every day. Thank you so much, and God bless every one of you. Thank you.
You're all invited 2 years from now to Maryland to celebrate their sister's 100th birthday. and she will make it. Her goal. Her dad, who was 99, right? So, 2 years from now, August, the 100th.